Hey all, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Right here I have the Yenin cut resistant gloves. Now you may have seen the unboxing video of these, and these are a level 5 cut resistant, and doesn't mean they're cut proof. So I've been using them a little bit. I'm not really too scared of using knives, especially sharp knives in the kitchen, because remember, dull knives are dangerous knives. So you do want to use sharp knives, and I'm pretty comfortable cutting and mincing and doing all that stuff. But sometimes, like maybe you're doing oysters or cutting something really fine, even steaks or something close to you, you might want to have the protection. And these are really great, especially for people that are nervous in the kitchen. This comes in a 2-pack, again, which you probably saw in the unboxing, and they have a couple different sizes, and they show you how to measure your palm to figure out what size you need. Now let me just go ahead and show you. They fit almost like garden gloves, and you might see like chefs wearing these on TV, or maybe at buffets, places like that, or at events. They feel pretty nice, really flexible and easy to work with. I did notice there was a couple little flyaways of some of the material right here, but it's really not that big of a deal. You can just check them and slice it off. That's just, from putting them together. But they do fit really nice. So I will show you that there are different levels of the cut resistant. Now, it works great with these type of knives here, non-serrated knives. So if you're doing something, you're using a chef knife, which looks a lot like this, it's gonna be great, and you can't cut through this. I don't recommend trying to really cut through your finger or your hand, but if you're cutting something and you happen to slip, you're not gonna cut yourself like you normally would, because that could be pretty devastating. So that's nice to do, and I'm putting some pretty good pressure. You don't even feel it. So the other thing I saw was, if this knife is not always sharp and you don't sharpen your knives, if there's any serrated areas on this, it may catch on this, so it might cause a little bit of an issue. So that you want to make sure that your knives are always sharp, whether you're using a honing stick or just a sharpener. Amazon has some great ones. I actually put a link to one of their own that they use that we really love. But this is really great for knives like that, cutting steak, chicken, anything like that. Perfect. So go ahead, put that away. And here's another knife. Now this knife does have some serrated on the bottom, so if you're cutting it with that, you can see it's still stopping it, but it's gonna snag on the glove, and depending on which way it's gonna go, you don't really wanna do that with this type of knife. And typically, you're not gonna be using a serrated knife for something that you're gonna be doing a lot of really quick cutting, like a chef knife would be. So just keep that in mind when you're using that. But overall, these Yenin gloves, again, they come in a 2-pack. You gotta just size them out. Really, really great. I love them. I'm gonna keep them in the drawer. One in our camper, and then one also at the house. And just use them when I need to, but keep them there for anybody that may be a little bit afraid of using those sharp knives. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, they're not puncture resistant, so if you hit yourself like that, you still might feel it. Just be careful. I'm Alan. Take care.